up on the internet and keep people cherry. Guys. Tell her to say thank you. You're welcome, Annalie. Guys, what's up? We're here at Portmore. We're picking cherry. It is so nice. We're in the middle. Well, we finished the delivery. And we'll find a nice cherry tree. You know, cherry is rich in antioxidants. Very good for you guys. You need to get your cherries. We're here on the delivery trail, guys. We're in the Sunshine City Portmore. And the Sunshine City provide free cherry. Right now, we got the road. So, guys, thinking about free. We'll give you your first package. Free shipping. Free. So your first item under £5 ships for free. Where are we pan? We'll give you 4 free shipping coupons per year. Why are we pan? You watch more than 4 videos. Where are we pan? There's a link here or in the description box. Click on the link, join us today. Get some freeness. We are eat free cherry. Where are we pan? Get some free shipping. Alright? Bye!